The dream of healthy choices. In a cozy home, a Muslim baby girl wearing a beautiful Islamic dress that covers her body and head was sound asleep. As she drifted into a dream, she found herself in her kitchen, where something strange was happening. The fridge door slowly opened, and out came burgers, pizzas, and samosas. But they weren't ordinary. They had arms, legs, and mischievous smiles. The fast food robbers started to dance, and the girl, amazed and excited, joined them in their lively dance. The kitchen turned into a party, with the fast food robbers leading the charge. She ate the delicious treats, and with each bite, she noticed herself getting bigger and bigger. Suddenly, she realized the danger as the fast food robbers turned to her with greedy eyes. Just when she thought she was in trouble, the main gate burst open. Glowing with a bright, healthy light, carrots, Loki, and tomatoes marched in, looking like superheroes with their own hands and legs. They swiftly took action, chasing away the fast food robbers and saving the little girl. She woke up with a start, realizing it was all a dream. Looking at herself in the mirror, she was relieved to see she was still slim and smart. The dream made her understand the importance of avoiding junk food and choosing healthy vegetables to stay fit and strong.